Hey everyone, my name is Mark Meyer. I am the operations manager here at Pinnacle of Indiana, and this is Eric Huggins, our IT guru, or one of them, right?
That's right.
It's okay to say you're a guru. It is okay.
All right.
He's a guru. So, anyway, this Thursday we have an event coming up for Windows 7 and really IT strategies as far as improving your business through IT. IT really touches everything in your organization. And Eric, you want to give us some highlights? I know we're going to be talking about Windows 7, Office 2010. If I'm a business owner, why should I care about either of those?
What's really exciting about Windows 7 and Server 2008 R2 are the foundations that they lay for the future. Windows 7 is really a much more usable operating system than XP, but what's really exciting is when you layer Office 2010 on top of that, and then combine that with Sharepoint 2010 that will be available for 2008 server, you've got a combination that really enhances productivity and allows you to do things at the user level that has been previously only been able to do by your IT staff.
So what I heard was it does a lot of cool stuff.
It does a lot of cool stuff.
Pretty much.
That's right.
If I'm trying to figure out how I want to actually make that migration from either XP to Windows 7, are we going to cover that Thursday? Or
we are. We're going to look at it from two perspectives. Those people who really are laying the foundation for the future and taking a phased approach, and those people who really want to set a standard and roll out a new standard within their organization.
I feel like I'm pretty cool because I'm actually got the beta running on Office 2010 on my computer. I'm a technology wannabe and want to be like a guy like Eric, but it's pretty cool. I like the social networking tie-ins that they got in with it. What are some of the highlights that you've seen with it?
Two things that I've really noticed with Office 2010, the beta, is the social media connector that you mentioned. The connection to LinkedIn is very nice. I can see your picture every time you send me an email, but also see the status updates. I've also found that it's really easy then to find other emails and things that you've sent me because it's all connected together. On the Excel side, I think one of the really exciting tools is Power Pivot. Power Pivot lets you create dimensional...
Power Pivot? No. Okay.
Power Pivot
probably not.
allows you to essentially work with multiple spreadsheets at one time and get a graphical and statistical views of the data that's within those spreadsheets in a much more usable interface.
So for 4% of you, you're pretty excited about the Power Pivot, but you know who you are. Hey, I know we're going to be serving breakfast also, right?
Yes.
So it's going to be kind of 8 to 10. It's not like going to be some gourmet, make your own omelet thing, but you will get fed at least, so that's a bonus.
That's right.
What else do you want to say about what's coming up on Thursday?
Well, I think we'll give a hint of SharePoint 2010 and the ways that Office 2010 is going to integrate with SharePoint and really become the communication platform to the people within your organization.
Well, here's what I know is that it makes sense to have a strategy for Windows 7 for your organization, whether that's a year from now or 3 weeks from now. You're going to get some tips and handles on actually learning what you need to know this Thursday. We'd love to have you come out and join us for that.